Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Here is the quick simple review of the Logitech Mx Brio Ultra. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Compatible with Nintendo Switch 2's new GameChat mode. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Ultra HD 4K webcam, meet or stream in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second, with our most advanced webcam. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. AA enhanced image quality, experience 2x better face visibility with finer image details in difficult light, 2, For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are top rated, great value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple, check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict, the Logitech Mx Brio Ultra looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.